Dear learners, welcome to NIOS, the video series that you're watching. The subject is Home Science, lesson number 3. The title of the lesson is Family, Health and Security. We have completed part 1 of this lesson. Hope you have watched it, learnt it and enjoyed it and you remember it. This is part 2. We will have question and answers here. Just remember and write down the answers in your notebook. In the end, I will give you answers in Indian Sign Language. Then you can see if your answers are correct or not. Question first. There are two kinds of families. Remember, there is joint family and there is nuclear family. There are two kinds of family. Joint family has a lot of people. Nuclear family is a smaller family where only 3 or 4 people are living. The question is related to children here. Children living in joint family develop what characteristics? What are the characteristics of children living in joint family and what are the characteristics of children living in nuclear family? You have to write the answer in your notebooks. Question second. This is related to joint family. Pick the right answer. In the joint family, all decisions are made by who? Who is the decision maker of the family? Let me give you the answers. First is the male head of the family. Let me give you the options. First is the older male, the male head of the family. It can be the grandfather or the father. Second, only female head of the family, be it the mother or grandmother. Third is both male and female heads of the family. Or fourth is all members of the family. What is the answer? Question second here. Part 2 of question second, relating to joint family again. In joint family, the purse is, money is first, common for the whole family. Second, in joint family, the purse is, where can you get the money from? Who is using that particular money in the joint family? First is a common for whole family. It's common, everyone divides it. Second is every head of small unit. Second is female head of small unit. Third is both male and female heads. Question 3. In joint family, the property is owned by who? Who? Let me give you the answers to pick from. Only male head of the family. Second, only female head of the family. Third, both male and female head of the family. And D is all members of the family. You can choose the answer. Hopefully you've written the answers. Let's begin now. Now let me give you, first question was, we discussed, in the joint and nuclear families, the children living, what are their characteristics? We had to write for joint family 2 characteristics, nuclear family 2 characteristics. For joint family, sharing is one characteristic because they are used to living with longer duration for bigger families like cousins, etc. They have emotional bonding with all of the family members. That's the second. Sharing and emotional bonding with each other. That is about joint family. Now, nuclear family, independence. Children are independent compared to joint families and they have the decision making also. They can decide from themselves. That's the difference between joint and nuclear families. Question second. In a joint family, all decisions are made by who? What was the answers? Only male head of the family, female head of the family, or both male and female heads of the family, or all members of the family? The answer is male head of the family is the decision maker in joint families. Second, in a joint family, the purse is first common for the whole family, second with every head of the small unit, third with every female head of the small unit, and fourth with both male and females of the small unit. The answer is common for the whole family. Question third, in joint family the property is owned by who? First, only male head of the family, second, only female head of the family, third, male and female head of the family, or all members of the family. The answer is all members of the family. Thank you.